Welcome to the Reports page. While the dashboard gives you a live view of your deliverability performance, the Reports section is designed for something different. It allows you to export structured deliverability data, so you can analyze it outside the platform, share it with your team, or keep historical records of your warm-up and inbox placement performance. To generate a report, click Generate Report. From there, you can choose whether the report should include domains or individual mailboxes, depending on what you want to analyze. Next, you can select the export format, either XLSX or PDF, depending on whether you want to work with the data in spreadsheets or simply review it as a formatted report. One of the most useful parts of this feature is that you can customize exactly what data is included. You can select mailbox level metrics, such as inbox placement and reputation indicators. You can also include deliverability test statistics and warm-up activity metrics, which help you understand how your inbox placement evolves over time. And finally, choose the time period and the providers you want to analyze, such as Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Gmail, or Outlook. Once generated, your report will appear in the table on this page, where it can be downloaded anytime. If you ever need help interpreting the data, you can always ask Headline AI or reach out to our team for guidance.